Hello, good morning to you all. Today we'll see how we can create an account on KIK. So if you haven't downloaded this KIK app, you can go to the Play Store and search as KIK here and you can download this. So once you download, this is the home page where you need to create the sign up process or the registration process. So click on sign up and you can give your first name, last name. Username is one which you have, means others see this username, so it should be unique. Okay, username means this is a unique username where others can able to see your username, so choose a username which is very unique. For example, if you type a name, it will give a tick mark. This indicates that particular username is available. Once it is available, just enter your mail id. You can choose password of your choice. So birthday, okay. So phone, it is saying that recommended, but even though if you didn't give also, you can anyway sign up. So I'm just clicking on sign up. So here you can find an option to skip for now, so you can click on not now. Yes, I'm sure. So I'm just keeping that step to include my phone number on the registration of the KIK account. So this is how simply you can create a KIK account just within a minute. And I will also tell a few things on how to use it. You can see a plus symbol here. You can find the people by entering the username. Means if at all, if you find someone, some friend or other in the FB messenger, means Facebook messenger or any other social platform, you can ask their username, and if you type their username, you'll find here. Once it searches, you'll find, for example, if this is the person, you can click on start chatting, you can send. So for now I don't want that, so you can start a group, you can create a group, or you can enter into the public groups. Introducing public groups, okay, got it. I can search a public group means love or something like singles. So if at all, if you want to join this group, I can join, click on this and I can join here. So once you join here, you can be, you can able to message D in the sense delivered. If it is R, someone read that. So this is how simply you can use KIK account. I have shown you the registration and the way to use it. I hope you like this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.